Hello! Today we have the Amazon Basic XLR cable in the video. Have fun with it! As you can see, the cable comes in a rather nondescript cardboard box. On the front we see the product name and some specifications. Otherwise the packaging is devoid of information. Then let's open the box. Well, the additional plastic film could have been saved with the cardboard box. There are only a few warning texts here. Let's take a look at the cable without the packaging. As you could read on the packaging before, I have the 3-meter version here. But there are also other lengths such as 7.2 or 15.6 meters. The cable itself makes a very good impression. The plug is made of cast metal and the cable entry has a spring sheet as protection against buckling. This makes a solid and high quality feeling. The cable itself is covered with fabric and has a pleasant feel. I can't find anything to criticize at the connector itself. Everything looks cleanly processed. The hook for securing works also very well. The counterpart is no different. Nothing to complain about here either. If I put the ends together, you can also see that everything snaps in neatly here. Well, my conclusion. I really like Amazon's own product. Of course, I'm not so extreme audiophile that I have extremely high standards. Because I mainly use the cable for my YouTube microphone, as you can hear it right now. But for normal usage, this is a good cable that does the job. Unfortunately, I can't give any experience in the high-end sector. But if one of my viewers should have more information here, you are very welcome to write it in the comments. Other people will thank you. Therefore, on my part, the price-performance ratio is perfectly fine with this product. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. This helps us to continue to produce great videos. Here are some more videos that you might be interested in. See you next time!